Here's where you can go to either show the notch that appears at the top of your screen here or create this black bar in the status bar area to sort of hide it out. This here is a Xiaomi phone with Android 15 and Hyper OS 2. To choose whether to show the notch or not, use the quick axis here, pull it down at least one time, and with Hyper OS 2, you'll see the settings toggle right there. Once you tap on it, you'll be taken to the main settings, then go down a little bit until you reach notifications and status bar. As you enter here, you'll see these different options, but then you want to go down to the status bar section. You'll see status bar here, and you'll look for hide notch. Now, as you enter here, this is a master switch. You can choose to hide it or don't hide it at all. And of course, it will have that bar there. So when you hide it, it's going to have the black bar, but to don't hide it, it will show the notch, okay? Now, if you don't want to do this for all the apps on your phone, you can back out and go to notch in individual settings right here. And as you enter here, you go down the list and you can choose which ones will have the notch shown or not. So you either have auto or always show, and auto basically is, it's going to depend on the app itself, okay? So sometimes you may change it and it may not show it, and that's just how the settings are for that particular app. So like I said,